Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions is your one-stop shop for sales, service, parts, repair, and all the info you need on the W&H Lexa Mini Autoclave. In this video, we'll go over some of the W&H Lexa Mini Autoclave error codes. Specifically, we'll go over error codes 10 through 70. If your W&H Lexa Mini Autoclave displays an error code 10, there was a mains voltage or 24-volt error during the cycle. The first possible cause is that there was a mains cable failure or it was disconnected. For this, check that the mains cable is properly plugged and check the mains cable for electrical continuity. The second possible cause is that the sterilizer was switched off during a cycle. For this, wait until the error phase on the screen is finished. The third possible cause is that there was an electrical failure in the building system. For this, connect the sterilizer to a dedicated circuit as reported in the user instruction. You can also check the electric power in the building and check the electric power at the wall plug. The fourth and final possible cause is that there was a 24-volt power unit failure. For this, check the 24-volt power unit. If your W&H Lexa Mini is displaying an error code 11, that means that there was a software error during an update. The possible cause is a software update failure. What you can do is repeat the update, and if the failure persists, you'll have to call into our free tech support line at 704-966-1650 option 3. If your W&H Lexa Mini Autoclave is displaying an error code 12, that means that there was a microprocessor error. The possible cause is bad communication with the mains load control microprocessor. For this, update and reinstall the software, and if the problem persists, replace the main board. If your W&H Lexa Mini Autoclave is displaying an error code 13, that means there was a microprocessor error. The possible cause is bad communication with the mains load control microprocessor. For this, update and reinstall the software, and if the problem persists, replace the main board. If your W&H Lexa Mini Autoclave is displaying an error code ranging from 20 to 49, that means there was an internal voltage that was out of range. The possible causes are a sensor failure or a main board failure. For this, disconnect progressively all sensor cables from the main board. Check the errors screen. If the error persists, replace the main board. If the error disappears, replace the sensor or cable that causes the error. If your W&H Lexa Mini Autoclave is displaying an error code 50 or an error code 51, that means that the mains voltage is out of range. The possible causes could be the mains voltage is out of range or a power board failure. For this, check the cycle info screen. The mains voltage must be between 180 and 264 volts for the 220 volt AC version, or between 90 and 132 volts for the 110 volt AC version, and must be stable. If the mains voltage is bad, being out of range or unstable, check the mains supply voltage with a multimeter and compare it with the reading of the cycle info screen. If the values are different, replace the power board, otherwise check the electric supply. If your W&H Lexa Mini is displaying an error code 53, that means that the current consumption of the sterilizer is out of the range. The possible cause is an electric 230 volt or 110 volt supplied component failure, either short-circuited or out of range, or a power board failure. For this, in the component test menu, check the resistance of all the supplied components, the heaters, vacuum pump, and water pump. Compare the values shown by the sterilizer with those measured with a multimeter. If the values are different and those given by the multimeter are in range, while those given by the sterilizer are out of range, replace the power board. If all values are the same and a component gives an out-of-range value, replace the component. If your W&H Lexa Mini sterilizer displays an error code 60, this means that there was low voltage on the 24-volt DC circuit. The first possible cause is a failure of the 24-volt supplied component or in its connection cable to the main board. For this, disconnect progressively all components from the main board. Check the error screen. If the error disappears, replace the component or cable that causes the error. If the error persists, see the next possible cause. The second possible cause could be a failure of the 24-volt supply unit. For this, check the 24-volt power unit. If your W&H Lexa Mini is displaying an error code 61, that means there was too high of voltage on the 24-volt DC circuit. The possible cause is a failure of the 24-volt supply unit. For this, check the 24-volt power unit. If your W&H Lexa Mini Autoclave is displaying an error code 70, that means that there was a 24-volt DC overcurrent. The first possible cause could be a 24-volt component failure. For this, if the error is permanent, disconnect progressively all 24-volt components/sensor cables from the main board. Check the error screen. If the error disappears, replace the component, cable, or sensor that causes the error. If the error persists, replace the main board. The second possible cause is sensor failure. For this, you'll have to call into our free tech support line at 704-966-1650, option 3. The third possible cause could be a door locking motor failure. For this, you'll have to call into our free tech support line at 704-966-1650, option 3. And if you have any questions about the W&H Lexa Mini or anything else, please give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.